Keeping style and innovation top of mind, MSI introduces Calacatta Miraggio Cielo to its Q Premium Natural Quartz collection. Coordinating with on-trend colors and styles, this marble look quartz makes a statement in any room. Produced in the United States, the natural blue and silver veins make for a stunning surface. Its versatility and durability are ideal for countertops, waterfall islands, accent walls, and much more. As part of the Q Studio collection, Calacatta Miraggio Cielo features one-of-a-kind through-body veins, using proprietary technology to capture the authentic look of marble. LumaLuxe Ultra, an MSI-exclusive formula, enhances how light interacts with the surface for ultimate eye-catching and immersive results. To view Calacatta Miraggio Cielo and the full product assortment, visit qfrommsi.com or an MSI showroom and distribution center near you to learn more. MSI, making dream surfaces attainable.